Okay. So now for what purpose we are doing the TDS filing? We discussed this also, right? So do you have you got it? Why we are doing TDS filings?
To record the challan receipt income tax, where we should file TDS for quarters, for 3 months, ma'am.
Yeah, we will be filing the TDS every quarter, and this is to give the employee information exactly which challan has mapped to which how many employees, right? That information will be recorded in TDS filings. Let's say I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
showed you few receipts, right? For previous quarter which we have paid. So let's say for we have a receipt of 1.5 lakh, and then we have few employees under that which we have paid it, but it doesn't say which employee has been paid for that receipt, right? That is where we will give the details in the TDS filing.
Yes, ma'am. For a
Understood it,
particular
right?
employee. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, for a particular employee. So where we will be doing that, every quarter department will be releasing a new version of RPU file. You have to download it. If you use the older version for the next quarter, for January, February and March, if we use the previous quarter one, it will not execute. You will get an error at the end. So you have
Okay.
to download the version before you work on it. So I have already downloaded, right? It's last week. So I'm opening it.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you have to select the form, whether it is 24Q or 26Q. You have to select it. And we are doing
Ma'am,
regular
can you
filing.
share your screen, ma'am? I couldn't see it.
Oh, I didn't share. Let me
No,
share.
ma'am.
Yeah, so this is the file we have to open, TDS RPU file.
Yes, ma'am.
It is visible, right?
I just forgot the RPU. Like, yes, ma'am. Name I
Okay.
have forgot.
Yeah, so we have different forms here.
Yes, ma'am.
24Q, 26Q, 27, 27EQ, right? We are doing 26Q.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is the regular filing. We will click on continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So here you have to fill all the details, the TAN number, financial year, and here you have to select the quarter as well. So I'll give the financial year, and then you can select the quarter also here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And the rest of the details you have to fill the PAN number, the type of deductor. You have to give the deductor details here, and the person responsible for deduction of tax details here. If the address is same, you can select same as above address. All
Yes, ma'am.
these details are mandatory. And then here you have to add the challan details.
Ma'am, the person who is responsible for deduction tax is employee, and for the second
No,
box,
no,
we
no.
will be giving the employer details.
No, both are employer itself.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
but the person who is responsible for deduction of tax, you will be appointing someone, right? That details you can give it here.
Okay, ma'am.
If both are same, you can give same details.
Yes, ma'am. Then,
In challan,
where will
hmm,
be giving the employee details, ma'am?
employee details will give here in the
Okay.
third uh, in the third form, deducted details, right? There we have to give.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's say, for example, I am adding one row,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
for example. So here, what we have to do here, we have to give TDS. Let's say I have paid it for 4,500 rupees. I'll give TDS 4,500. I'll give BSR code, something, right? Like 5881 something. Should be 7 digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Okay.
Date on which amount deposited through challan. So let's say I have paid it on 7th Jan. I'll give that date.
Yes, ma'am.
challan serial number, again you can find it out in challan receipt, right? That
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have to give. It will be 481. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And this comes under minor head as 200. It will also be there in the receipt itself.
Okay, ma'am.
And then you only once you enter the challan details, you'll go to the third form. Here you have to give the deductee details. For
Okay,
this
ma'am.
challan, who are the employees, for which employee you have paid this amount, right? Let's say you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
paid 1,45,000, right? There are six employees. Then under this challan, you have to add six rows here.
Yes, ma'am.
If there is other challan, you will get other challan number. You have to add if based upon the deductives you have there.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it, right? That's it. So here you have to give the details. Section under 94JB, you'll give, right? We discussed this. 94JB. This you have to
Then
give,
consistent. Yeah, ma'am.
and a pan of the deductee, name of the deductee, date of payment, amount paid, TDS. So these are the details we will give. And surcharge and health and education cess will be zero. Total tax deposited, same as TDS, you can just give that. And date of deduction. That's it we
Okay.
have to give.
Yes, ma'am. So in beside that in challan section, we will be only focusing on the challan details.
Yes, right. And rate
Okay.
at which tax deducted, we have to give, as this is 26Q, it is 10%, right? We have to give 10%. Let's say,
Yes,
for
ma'am.
example, in few cases, if we deduct only 1% or 2% based upon case to case, we can give that.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
it is not matching with the amount credited and TDS mentioned here, then you'll get an error again. This will not get executed.
In the row of rate at which tax deducted.
Yeah, so let's say here you have given 1,50,000
Yes,
and
ma'am.
here you have given 1,500 only, which means
Okay.
1%, right? But here you are
Mm-hmm.
giving 10%. This will not match. Here you have to give 15,000,
Okay. Yes,
right?
ma'am.
If it is 50,000, 15,000, it is 10%, but you have deducted only 1,500 as the tax is 1% only in some cases,
Yes,
right? Then you
ma'am.
have to give here 1%. If you give 10, it will not take it. You'll get an error at the end.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
form
I got.
27 will not get be generated.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Once this is done, we have to click on create file, right? Once all the details are done. And then we have to upload the challan input file, which we have downloaded from the income tax portal, right? You have seen that.
Yeah, ma'am.
That we have to
Actually,
upload
from that
and
portal, in the challan, what you have been updated, I didn't understood, ma'am, at that day.
no, I haven't given any details. I have just given the period from which month I need it. Let's say I need it for quarter three, right? That means October 1st to December 31st.
Yeah, ma'am.
So you have to log into income tax portal, go to Challan input file, e-pay tax, and just click on Challan input file and select the period, and then you'll be able to download it.
Okay, ma'am.
You'll also get, if you Google it, right? If you're not understanding, you can also Google it and go through that steps. It
Okay,
is
ma'am.
not that difficult as you don't have the
Yeah, ma'am.
credentials, right? You'll not be
I
able
will
to get it.
be
Yeah.
just going through it. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, but as you don't have the credentials and all, you'll not be able to check it now. Once
Okay.
you are into it, you will get it automatically. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. Any other questions you have in this TDS filings for 26Q?
Yeah, ma'am. Can you once again explain the deducted details? Like
Okay, directory details.
we will.
Okay. So here what we are giving section under which we are doing the payment. As this is 26Q, what it will be for 94JB.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
J 97 JB, no, ma'am. 90
No, it is 94JB. This 94
94.
GB. 94 GB, yeah. This is correct, 94J. This you have to give, and you have to give PAN of the deductee.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
let's say for X employee, what is the PAN number? And name of the deductee is X. And PAN, let's say something A, B, C,
In
D,
case
right?
if,
That you have to give.
ma'am, in case
Mm.
if employee doesn't have this PAN card or PAN number, then
Then we have to deduct 20%.
okay.
If the employee is not having PAN, obviously you will not take that employee, right? You will say you need to have the PAN number. If they
Yeah,
want to
ma'am.
get paid, then obviously they need to have the PAN number. In few cases, what happens is the PAN is not active, or some errors they will be getting. In that cases, we need to deduct 20%. But there is no such case employee itself, they'll not have the PAN at all, right? Nowadays,
Yeah, ma'am.
everyone are having it, yeah. It is mandatory,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
need to have it.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
But if there are any errors, if it is not active, either like they have not linked their Aadhaar or some issues, right? Then we have to deduct 20%.
Yes, ma'am.
Or else you'll get the notice if you don't deduct 20, if you still go with 10% only here. After filing, after few days, you'll get a notice to pay remaining 10%.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Any other questions?
No, ma'am. I understood. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Stress will be education stress will be always like we should put zero,
zero.
no, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, zero, right. It will be zero. And so once you create the file, you'll go to income tax portal, log in to that, and
We will give the credentials and we will be saving the file.
yeah, right.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to upload the zip file only, that you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to upload, and it will get accepted.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
prepare the document, and
Okay, ma'am.
you want to discuss on GST filings, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Just that
What
one
else
topic
other
is,
than GST?
ma'am. I couldn't understood.
Other than GST, what else?